Hey everybody, it's the Quail guy Zach from Myshire Farm, and I've got something very exciting to share with everybody. So we've been Myshire Farm for 13 years this coming up month. So it's our 13th anniversary as being Myshire Farm. So first and foremost, we wanted to thank everybody out there for helping us grow and becoming who we are, and continuously helping us get better with your feedback. And we couldn't do it without you. We really do appreciate you. When we were coming up on this massive milestone, this anniversary that I'm very excited about, I really wanted to come up with something real big to do. And well, we've been working extremely hard. We've spent a lot of time, energy, effort, and money, as well as our partners, the Naps. And well, we're no longer shipping hatching eggs all over the US. We're also in Canada. That's right. Myshire Farm is partnered up with the Nap family mini ranch in Canada. We have been exporting eggs there for quite some time, and we are going to be shipping all over Canada starting March 15th. They've came down here a couple different times to work with us, watch our methods and how we do things. We've exported the eggs, and Jen and I just drove up there and put the breeding stock together, and we were very impressed. We were very impressed with the Naps. We were very impressed with the facilities. We were very impressed with the quality of the quail. We weighed the jumbos. We had to go up a little early, so we weighed the jumbos at 5 weeks and 5 days old, which is a little sooner than what I wanted to, but they were averaging 10 ounces plus. And our largest was 11.4 ounces on a jumbo wild male. So their feed is fantastic. Their setup is amazing. They're doing everything right. We're in constant communication. And so this year you can go to our website at myshirefarm.com. And if you're in the US, you can purchase anything on the website. And if you're in Canada, you'll hit the Canada tab, and we will have options for you where we're shipping all over Canada. So I'm very excited about that. We are going to be doing flat rate shipping for Canada. Canada shipping is a little bit different. So we need to get used to that and find out how we do it. But right now it's going to be flat rate shipping on the Canada products. And obviously, if you know me, you know that I'm a big believer in slow and steady wins the race. So we do have many options for you in Canada. We've got jumbo wilds, jumbo Egyptians, jumbo mix. We've got celadons. We've got a fee mix. We've got rare mix. We've got feather sexable. We've got variety choice. We've got scissors and supplies. We've got a bunch of stuff. But you don't have everything we have here in the US yet. So we'll continue to grow that throughout the year and as years go on. All of our guarantees are still the same. So 50% hatch rate guarantee. We'll still give you a shipping tracking number when we ship and all that stuff. We guarantee our products here and in Canada. And we are available for you anytime you need us. And we did not have to raise the prices. We worked very hard on making sure that the hatching eggs were affordable in Canada as well. And we did not increase the prices at all on that. So I'm very excited about that as well. And how cool is it that there is now a quail farm that is international? That is pretty cool. So happy 13th anniversary to us. Congratulations, Canada. Thank you for the Nap family mini ranch, for partnering up with us and doing this with us. They've spent countless hours and energy and effort and money on doing this. We have been working tirelessly on our side as well, and it is official. It is on the website. You can check it out at myshirefarm.com, and I can't wait to get started. So purchase so we can start shipping everything out. Shipping will start March 15th, and again, if you have any questions, feel free to comment below or message me. My cell phone number you can text is on our website, again, at myshirefarm.com. And again, for everybody that's out there that's helped support us throughout the years, our 13th year anniversary as a business and as a farm, as a family-owned and operated quail farm, we thank you very much, and we really do hope that this merger of Canada and the US is going to be fantastic and help a lot more people become more self-sufficient and have more options than what they have now. So again, thank you everybody for watching. I really appreciate it. I hope that you're as excited as I am. And until next time, everybody, stay safe.